What is up, Yonke family? It's your boy, Mr. Yonke, and welcome back to another one of Yonke's vlogs. Woo woo! In today's vlog, we are going to be going to San Francisco, and we are going to be exploring the Science Museum over there, which is very big and very nice. We ended up doing this a little bit last second. We were not sure if we are going to end up going or not, but we did end up going, and we had a lot of fun. So I'm just going to jump right into the video and let you guys see how our trip was. This is day 2, the continuation of our California trip. So let's just jump right into it.
Not the Ferrari next to us. That's sick.
Okay guys, so we did make it to San Francisco already. We are in the city. Now we're just gonna be looking for somewhere to go eat. We want to get some breakfast, but we are with my suegro, so it has to be something everybody likes. We're excited to try some Chinese food out here, me and Ms. Yonke. I did have a little accident. I spilled my coffee on my pants, so now it looks like I peed myself a little bit, but no pasa nada, no pasa nada. We're kind of lost right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and Google something and let's see where we go eat.
You're not cold. No, you're not. How's the hill?
Alright.
Baby's nice and cozy.
Burn the calories before we go eat.
For real. So we're gonna go eat to Fortunes?
I think that's what it's called, yes. He's like hella confused.
He's like, whoa. Yummy.
He's like,
Look at who's up. It's perfect weather to be out, huh? Yeah. Little cutie. Someone's holding on to dear life over here.
holding on to my chains. He said, if I fall, these are going down with me.
Just looking at everything. So where are we going now? A museum? But we'll see when we get there.
We just made it to the museum parking garage. Bro, my truck is so big, it is super hard to park in these spots. The cars are parked all crazy. They're just jumping into the first spot they find. So at least we found one, but now we have to find the rest of the people because it did kind of take us a minute to find a parking spot, and we had to drive to a couple different level parking garages. So let's go find everybody. Let's go see where they're at. ¿Ya te estás durmiendo, compa?
This is the best part.
Look at this guy fighting.
He's dying. That looks like ice. That's so pretty. Look. What?
Arizona.
No way.
The coochie country.
Andresito's like, where am I? Wow. They gotta take him up. Feels so nice up here.
Feels fresh.
You want to see, puppy? He's like, where am I? It's like, it's all fresh here. Look at his hair. Are you having fun, puppy?
He's smiling?
He's happy. Gotta show him.
Look, he's flipping.
Those are the slugs? Look at puppy. Dang, that's how big they are. Dang, that's the biggest pine cone I've ever seen.
I didn't even know they could get that big.
What are you looking at? The birdies? The birdies?
Yep.
There, that's what we were listening to. We thought it was the baby. Look, that's a bear print. That's crazy. And you have a big hand. That's kind of scary.
My hand is the same size as a bear paw, except for the claws.
I don't
Take that fool on.
Why are you so tired?
Earthquakes have been part of the land you're standing on for millions of years.
So it feels like I can already feel it.
As the
It feels like,
Loma
what's going on? It's okay, puppy. It's okay, it's okay.
As the shaking began.
¿Te asustaste? He was chilling.
He was good. He was fine. That looks so pretty. Andresito's eating, chilling, watching the view. Dang, look at that. Look at that. Saber-tooth cat bones. That's how I wake up in the morning.
Is that an Andres bird? What fish? Oh, that one?
The thick one.
Say hi, puppy.
Moving right now.
I don't see, I swear, none of them move when I move. Oh shoot, that scared me.
Oh, it moved now.
Mira, ay, Jesús, Jesús.
Look at the butterfly.
Oh, look at the foot. Double work.
Daddy duties.
Dad duties. You're sweating already?
Bro, it's hot. No, I'm not sweating, am I?
A little bit. There's spiders in here. I'm not getting close. Okay, get over here. I'm not even getting close. It's moving. Is it venomous? Looks a little scary.
It doesn't say venomous, but it does say something.
Pretty sure there's more.
Yeah, there's another.
Don't get too close. Oh wow. Mira, papi.
He's just eating my shirt.
Wow. Look at papi.
I'm too tall for this one.
Dang, look at that fish. It's so pretty. Wow, that's so cool. Look at how big.
That's crazy.
My dad. Can't take him nowhere. Is that a real tiger? That's huge. Yeah, that could definitely do some damage.
I could take that fool.
There's some deer behind you.
It says right there.
Dang. These look scary. What the heck is that? It's a dragon mountains. Oh, they're
They're called dragons.
no, I thought that's what they were called, but no, that's where they live.
Flip springers.
Kind of looks like you. Huge.
She looks like a big ass goat.
Maybe they're ancestors. What do you know? Let's go look at the zebras. Look how pretty.
The zebra's even black and white. That one looks like a dinosaur.
Huh?
That one looks like a dinosaur. Why do they have to do that?
To what? Oh, that's sad. Babe, look at what I found. You're twins. They're so hairy. They look cute though. They look cute to me. They look furry, fluffy.
Those are super vicious.
Little deer.
They're looking for the baby that cheetah ate.
Oh, you're mean. You just ruined the whole thing. Look at it. That's our descendant.
It actually looks like all cute and innocent.
Yeah. Whoa. Look at Papi. It's a gorilla. Did you have fun? Did you have fun? Yes, you did, huh? Just gotta pay real quick. And then we go to the car. And then to our next destination.
That's pretty sick.
It's the most prettiest park I've ever seen. Look at that nice car, puppy. Wow, that's a sick car. So Dad is gonna wear the carrier to carry baby. You got this, or you need help? I believe in you, baby. I did. Ah, you're having the best time, huh? Yeah. Look at my precious little baby. Time to head to the pier. We came to Pier 39. But we gotta take the stairs. Someone's having the time of their life. So we came to Ben and Jerry's. So I got a half-baked, my favorite. The baby had a little bit.
You got a half-baked? And I'm half-baked.
No, stop. ¿Quieres más, papi? Okay, a little bit more. Oops, it's on his nose. Here, here, here. The napkin.
I'm like...
Ah. This is real fruit.
Real fruit.
This is so cute. Look at the baby outfits. What if we find him a hat? Oh, baby Garcia. It just feels warm in there. Are you sure you don't want to lose your hat? Not another one. So we're pretty tired already.
I'm fucking slumped.
I want to go home now. Had a long day. Somebody's up now.
It was a long day.
Buddy has had 2 naps today. And he's cranky. Boom. Time to go home.
The parking is really reduced and my truck is super fucking big. This antenna was hitting these the whole time, guys. So I was super scared for my truck because it was barely clearing it, but it did make it pass through all of these. It's only 6'8" in here. It's a little scary, but shit, making it happen, making it happen. Oh my god. That's so scary. Fuck.
Baby was hungry. Ya está bailando. Without any music, just a little noise from I don't know where. Mira tu papá manejando como un hooligan. Y tú también con el pie para arriba.
Alright guys, so we are now in Oakland, California. We had to make a little quick stop so we can get the baby some teething medicine. He's crying super hard and we have about a 2-hour drive home, so we don't want him to be crying the whole way, so we're gonna get some baby Tylenol real quick here at Walmart. Alright guys, so we went to the pier right now and we couldn't get some hot dogs there, so I went around and I got some right here. I know they're kind of plain, but I don't want to have some cebolla ass breads for the next hour or two, so I just got a plain one and I got Miss Yonke one too. Y con una coca y a chingárnoslos. Hopefully the baby's feeling a lot better. We gave him some medicine already, so now we got about an hour drive back to Modesto, so let's go ahead and get it while we eat these glizzies, I guess. Alright guys, so I never had one of these glizzies before.
Not me with one eyelash.
Hey, where's your
I'm
eyelash?
struggling over here. I'm going through it.
Miss Yonke was having a hard time, guys, baby. The baby was crying.
He's okay. You want a hot dog? At least he stopped crying.
When I told the lady I just wanted ketchup and mayonnaise, she laughed at me.
No way.
Nah, she didn't laugh. She looked at me like, what?
No, but